Pooja's work is all about glamour. Her own home is designed in the classic theme of vintage colonial decor. Nidhi Rai shows you how.
When you think of a house owned by a makeup artist, you expect a lot of colors, glamour, and glitter. But leading Bollywood makeup and beauty artist Pooja Taluja's house is the exception to the rule. This elegant, single-storied house in the middle of South Delhi delicately balances contemporary designs with an antique finish. Muted tones, crystals, flowers, and candles from the core of her decor are sure to catch your eye. And attention to detail and spacing ensures that you have ample room to walk around. You're welcomed by an antique dining table decked with chic candle stands and Ishtavam pieces.
We have a beautiful blend of antique furniture with, I love crystals. So there are these few crystal pieces which I have along with Ishtavam pieces which are very antique and very intricate work they have. We have blended this whole area with a bit of crystals, a bit of antique, so it's a blend of both modern and the classic designs.
And now we come to one of Pooja's favorite places, one much required after a long and tiring day when you desperately crave some music and wine. The Italian bar in the house rises to the occasion, allowing you to sit back and mellow out. An antique piece with brass embellishments picked up from a street shop years ago complements the arrangement beautifully, making this the perfect spot for Pooja to either lounge around or party with friends and family.
One of my favorite places at home, it's the bar. My husband keeps joking with me that you can spend the rest of your life every evening right here because I love my drinks. I love chilling over here by the bar. I love listening to music in the evenings. This is the complete detox for me. And there are these pieces, like I mentioned, that I love crystals. So we have these few pieces of crystals, which this I picked up from Italy. This is a Murano piece, and these are Swarovski pieces. I love the glitter and shine in them.
Up next is the luxurious drawing room. It is adorned with a rich Italian leather sofa, English chairs, stylish lamps, and a chic glass table. A minimal use of candles and crystal gives this area a privileged yet relaxed feel.
So all the sofas we picked up, this is all pure Italian leather. My husband and me are personally very, very fond of leather. I love the smell, I love the feel of pure leather. I feel it's just unmatched as compared to any other fabric. This is all pure leather. And also, I love green as a color. I think it brings a lot of warmth to the house. It's lovely, it's even Vastu-wise, it's a very good color to have in a house. So even outside, if you notice, and even indoors, we have a lot of green. It's very pure, you feel closer to nature.
So this TV lounge is a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. A perfect place to relax, unwind. An amazing part of the house.
The most private part of the house is of course the bedroom, which Pooja has done up tastefully. A pale tinted room, it faces the garden and holds a huge dressing table. The well-lit dresser forms the centerpiece of the room.
If you notice, it's a lot of pastel colors, it's all whites, the wallpaper, and I love flowers. There are always flowers in my room. I love natural flowers. And I keep the color pastels it's not a very big size bedroom, so I keep the colors very muted and pale so that it looks nicer and bigger. I don't like very dark rooms and everything, so we keep it very light. And this is where I dress up, this is where I use all my makeup, and this is where I spend the maximum time in the evening getting all dolled up for the evening. That's the dressing area where I use for my makeup and just get ready right here.
Pooja Taluja's house is all about the artistic and efficient use of decor. No piece of furniture is considered useless, with care taken to focus on the utilitarian aspects of each room. The family room is the perfect example of this, holding just a master bed and the dressing table, with the focus being on maximizing space.
We have a beautiful blend of the vintage look which we maintain in the drawing and the dining area, and the very contemporary look in the bedrooms. So the bed is very contemporary, it's very straight line. Again, there's lots of leather. Like I always tell you, I love leather. There's lots of leather and it's very straight line. Also, I like the rooms to be very spaced out. I don't like too many things, I don't like too much furniture. I just feel there should be more room to walk around. And so I like less things around. So there's less furniture and everything is pretty open.
Pooja Taluja believes that less is more. Therefore, all around her house, you will see less use of furniture, lot of candles, lot of crystals. And the theme of the house is also muted colors. So this one is truly an extension of her personality.